On today's menu is a quick and easy aloo beans dry sabji, where aloo is potato, beans is green beans, and sabji is vegetable. It is a pan-fried recipe where the veggies are pan-fried with spices. There won't be any gravy, so you can easily take this in your lunchbox. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wide pan over medium heat. Whenever you make a dry kind of sabji like this, use a wide pan so the veggies get fried and not steamed. Once the oil gets hot, lower the heat and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds go in and half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Allow the mustard seeds to splutter or else they will taste bitter, and the mustard seeds spluttering is an indication that the oil is hot enough for the next ingredient. So our next ingredient is garlic, which you need to roughly chop. Do not chop them too fine as they may burn. Stir on low heat for a few seconds until they get slightly browned up and aromatic. Then in goes Mr. Potato. Dice the potatoes small like this because it is a stir-fry recipe where things will get cooked faster on a fairly high heat. Stir the potatoes on medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add green beans. Chop the beans into small pieces. Fry for a minute, then add chopped onions. Add salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, the sunshine of Indian cuisine, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, and a teaspoon of ground cumin. I frequently use my homemade sabji masala in place of ground cumin. Play around with the spice powders, my friend, and do not just stick to one. You can also use curry powder. Nothing is written on stone when it comes to cooking in your own kitchen. Finally, add chopped tomato. Now cover on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Give a stir and cover on again if you feel the potatoes need some more time. The veggies shouldn't turn all mushy-dushy. They need to be tender, but at the same time they should still be holding on to their shape. Do a taste test at this point and adjust the seasonings. Today for a change I added greens of green onions, but you can definitely use coriander leaves or any herb of your choice. This goes well with rice or roti. Just make a bowl of dal and you have a simple meal. You can also serve this as a side alongside a chicken or fish curry. This stays good in the refrigerator for about a week since it is dry, and you can take this in your lunchbox as well. Please give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time. Bye bye.